Here we have to find the derivative of quotient of two functions, cos x by 1 plus sin x. This is of the form d by dx of u by v. d by dx of u by v is v into derivative of numerator, that is u dash, minus u into v dash by v square. Denominator into derivative of the numerator minus numerator into derivative of the denominator by denominator square. So f dash x equal to 1 plus sin x into derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x, minus numerator into derivative of the denominator. Derivative of 1 is 0, sin x is cos x. 0 plus cos x, that is cos x by 1 plus sin x whole square, that is minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x by 1 plus sin x whole square, that is minus sin x minus sin square x plus cos square x by 1 plus sin x whole square. Sin square x plus cos square is 1. So it is minus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x whole square. Taking minus outside, 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x whole square. It is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. F dash x is minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Okay, thank you.